nasal congestion here.
Folks, we got a sneeze.
He's got acute stuffiness. Let's move.
In a recent study, more than half of the nation's emergency rooms reported increased usage by people with non-emergency conditions. This winter, help relieve ER congestion. Colds and flu are best treated by your doctor or in a minor medical facility.
Clear!
Help reduce ER crowding.